Here's the rhythm for Hotel California. I won't use a chord for this, and I'll do it slowly. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and faster. 1. And here it is with the song, starting with B minor. Up to F sharp minor. A will be a bar chord, barring across the 5th fret. Down to E. To G. You can play it this way, or this way, or this way, whichever you prefer. D. E minor. And slide it up to F sharp. And I could have actually played that E minor with the 3rd and little, which would make it even easier. I would slide up and just add this and this. That's the verse. Chorus, you keep repeating that for all the verses and all the guitar solos, that chord sequence. The chorus then, I'll just play it for you. D. F sharp minor, and B minor. On that B minor, I have actually not brought down to bar as I normally would, because that F sharp note is in the song. From F sharp, I'm just dropping the 3 fingers down to the B minor. But you could actually do that if you wanted to. It's up to yourself. And then on to G. D. F sharp, and back to the start.